Hi guys, Shane here, Holiday Resort Unity. Bald spot. This van is to blame for that spot. I've been scratching my head for months. I cannot believe it's not been sold yet. Underbed storage. Oh, just look at it guys. Swift Moselle. It's the coastal theme. Love it. It is pure luxury. Ensuite shower guys. The finish is unbelievable. What I love is these little bits of LED lighting, okay guys, up there. Really nice touch, that, it's fantastic. Let's go and have a look down here guys. Bath, we've got a bath, overhead shower, look at that, it's just beautiful. Bedroom guys, loads of storage in here. Soft clothes as well. Yes, TV hookup, vanity mirror, loads of room, reading lamps. Look at this kitchen, look at this dining area, look at that. That's just super comfy. Oh, chill, love it. You got your washing machine, you got your dishwasher, of course you have. This is a stunning holiday home. It is beautiful. Over here guys. Super comfy. And it's a pull out as well. Oh, look at the patio doors. Nice big wrap deck on it. This is the place to be guys. You've got your speakers in the ceiling as well for your Bluetooth. Put the kettle on, love. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It is stunning. Come on down and have a look. I'm going to take you outside to have a quick look at the plot this way. Look at this plot, guys. This is unbelievable. Next door neighbour's mowing his lawn. Don't worry about that, but look at this. Wildflower garden. Oh, it's beautiful. AstroTurf. Sun all day long. We're going to have a new fence up there as well. The sun rises there guys, you've got no one overlooking you. It comes round all day to the front where your decking will be. You can watch the sunset. I mean, this is just unbelievable. Come on down, come and have a look guys. Thanks for watching.